Scientific facts in the Quran can be an engaging way to highlight how the Quran, revealed over 1,400 years ago, contains knowledge that aligns with modern scientific discoveries. 1. The creation of the universe, the Big Bang Theory and the Quran. Quranic verse, do not those who disbelieve see that the heavens and the earth were a closed-up mass, then we opened them out. Quran 21:30. This verse is often cited as an indication of the Big Bang Theory, which suggests that the universe originated from a singularity and expanded. Connection to modern science. The modern theory of the Big Bang aligns with the Quranic description of the universe's origin, suggesting that the universe was initially a closed-up mass before it opened and expanded. 2. The development of the human embryo. Embryology in the Quran. Quranic verse, we created man from a sperm drop. Quran 75-37. And then we made the sperm drop into a clot of congealed blood. Double quotes. Quran 23:13. These verses describe the development of the human embryo in stages. The sperm drop refers to the male sperm, and clot refers to the early stage of embryonic development. Connection to modern science. Modern embryology confirms the stages described in the Quran, such as the fertilization of the egg, the formation of a clot-like structure, and the later development of bones and flesh. 3. The protective layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Atmospheric protection. Quranic verse, and we made the sky a protected ceiling, yet they turn away from its signs. Quran 21:32. This verse refers to the protective layers of the Earth's atmosphere, which shield the Earth from harmful radiation, meteorites, and other space debris. Connection to modern science. Scientists now understand that the Earth's atmosphere, including the ozone layer, serves as a protective shield, preventing most harmful rays from the sun like ultraviolet radiation from reaching the surface. 4. The expanding universe. Cosmological expansion. Quranic verse, and it is we who have constructed the universe with our power, and indeed we are its expander. Quran 51-47. This verse alludes to the expansion of the universe, concept that was confirmed by Edwin Hubble in the 20th century. Connection to modern science. The observation that galaxies are moving away from each other, known as cosmic redshift, supports the idea of an expanding universe, which aligns with the Quranic statement about the universe's expansion. 5. The role of iron in the Earth's core. The origins of iron. Quranic verse, we sent down iron in, which is strong material, benefiting mankind. Quran 57-25. The verse refers to the fact that iron is not native to Earth, but was sent down from space, likely as a result of supernova explosions. Connection to modern science. Scientists confirm that iron, along with other heavy elements, is thought to have been formed in the cores of stars and brought to Earth by meteorites or cosmic events, aligning with the Quranic description. 6. The water cycle. The water cycle in nature. Quranic verse, it is Allah who sends the winds so that they raise the clouds, and we drive them to a dead land and give life thereby to the earth after its death, such is the resurrection. Quran 35-9. This verse beautifully describes the water cycle, evaporation, cloud formation, rain, and the rejuvenation of dry land through rain. Connection to modern science. The process of evaporation, cloud formation, rainfall, and the subsequent replenishment of the land is a fundamental part of Earth's water cycle, which is essential for life. 7. The barrier between salt and fresh water. Oceanography and the barrier between water. Quranic verse, he it is who has made the two sea salt and fresh to flow freely. One this and one that. Between them is a barrier which they do not transgress. Quran 55 to 1920. This verse refers to the natural boundary between bodies of fresh water and salt water, a phenomenon observed in estuaries where two different types of water meet but do not immediately mix. Connection to modern science. The concept of a barrier between fresh and salt water is confirmed by oceanographers, who explain that the salinity of water creates a natural demarcation known as halak line, where the waters meet but do not fully mix due to differences in density. 8. The function of mountains. The role of mountains in stabilizing the earth. Quranic verse. And we have set firm mountains on the earth, so that it would not shake with them. Double quotes. Quran 21 to 31. The Quran mentions that mountains stabilize the earth, preventing it to modern shaking. Science geologists now understand that mountains play a crucial role in stabilizing the earth's crust. They act like pegs, preventing the earth's crust from wobbling, which is a phenomenon related to plate tectonics. 9. The fingerprints of humans. Unique fingerprints. Quranic verse. Yes, we are able to put together in perfect order the very tips of his fingers. Quran 75 to 4. This verse refers to the unique and intricate nature of human fingerprints, which are distinctive to every individual. Connection to modern science. Modern science has shown that fingerprints are unique to every individual, even identical twins, and this characteristic is now used in forensic science and identification. 10. The role of the sun and moon. The movement of the sun and moon. Quranic verse. It is he who created the night and the day, and the sun and the moon, each floating in an orbit. Quran 21:33. This verse refers to the movement of the celestial bodies, including the sun and moon, which are in constant motion within their respective orbits. Connection to modern science. Astronomy confirms that the sun and moon both move in orbits. The moon orbits the earth, and the earth orbits the sun, a concept that was unknown at the time of the Quran's revelation. Faith and Science in the Quran Quran is not just a book of spiritual guidance, but also one that encourages intellectual inquiry and reflection upon the natural world. The scientific facts mentioned in the Quran demonstrate its timeless relevance. The Quran invites believers to explore the universe, deepen their understanding, and recognize the signs of Allah's creation in the world around them.